All right, guys, next up we've got another Tristar 2020 Hidden Treasures autographed baseball. You've got one autographed baseball per box. Chance to pull some really big names in here. Mike Trout, Hank Aaron. You've got some 24 karat baseballs. And then a Jackie Robinson is the grand treasure, the diamond ticket. So here's your list of teams. Anthony S. with the Padres and Nationals. Brian D.'s got the Diamondbacks, the Indians, the Tigers, Astros, Royals, Brewers, Twins, A's, and Rays. Elizabeth, you've got the Giants. Eric with the Cardinals and Rangers. George, you've got the Braves, White Sox, Reds, and Mariners. Jeff D. with the Orioles, Cubs, and Mets. Juan's got the Rockies. Kyler with the Pirates. Richard V. with the Phillies. And then Rick M. with the Red Sox, Angels, Dodgers, Yankees, and the Blue Jays. All right, so we got this one and then one more behind it. All right, what you got? I'm going to go either Jose Canseco or who else would that be? Joe Carter, maybe? No? It looks like a Jose Canseco, doesn't it? Tristar authenticated. And that's exactly who it's going to be, Jose Canseco. So no inscription on the baseball that has a specific year, so it's going to be length of service, which I would imagine would be Oakland, but let's double check. Yeah, it is going to be Oakland. So Oakland A's on that, which is going to go to Brian. So congratulations, man. So we'll get that baseball in the mail to you tomorrow. And we'll do another box of this next week, next Monday night. So it's on eBay now and Saturday night.